Hello everyone, I'm from pumpkeen.com. You can see our website here and you can go to this website to read about many tips and tricks. Right now and today in this video I want to tell you something really applicable. I want to tell you how can you save images from pinterest.com in original size, not in preview size. Imagine that I am going to save this image. I search for marketing and right now I want to save this image. I'm clicking on it, and after clicking I can see this picture. If I right click on it, then I can see save image as. I'm going to save this image on my folder named pumpkeen.com, and this is the name of it, for example, test. Now see what I saved. This is image that I saved. If I right click on it and see properties, I can see that size of this image is 564 1128. This is really small. If you want to save it in original size, you can come back here, right click on it, click on open image in new tab, and now open this new tab. This is not even original size. This is small. You have to change this one 564x. If you change this to originals, it has S at the end. And now enter. This is the big size and original size. You can save image. And give name original, for example. Now we can come here and compare two files. The test file is 84 kilobytes and the original file has 187. Now you can save all images from Pinterest in original size. Good luck.